welcome back to my channel. As promised that I am going to share our complete moving process with you guys, since we are moving from one province to another province, and it is going to be a lot of work for us and a lot of learning too. So I thought I should share these things with you guys because you might learn something as well. So anyways, in my last vlog I said we have started selling out our stuff, furniture and all that, whatever we have. So we sold out our bed already and we have to disassemble it because somebody is coming over to pick it up. And I listed everything on two websites. One was Kijiji and other one was Let Go. And Sanjay is sleeping in the room, so I'm just going to wake him up so that we can start working on it. So just follow me. Guys, the bed is gone and now I have to clean up this mess. Anyways, now we are going to sleep on this mattress on the floor and we are going to recycle this mattress. Of course, nobody's going to buy this. And I'm not sure about this dressing table. I love this dressing table. It's pretty much new and I wanted to take it to Toronto, but I'm not sure how am I going to take it. So probably I'm going to sell this out as well. And now we only have to sell out those sofa, that green sofa, coffee table and TV table. Yes, so these three things are still remaining to be sold out. Let's see if it goes. Otherwise we will have to recycle them because we don't want to take them to Toronto because the transportation cost is much expensive. So it's better to buy new furniture than taking the old one. So yeah, let's see. Next day somebody bought our dressing table too. In the park. And today we have to pack our clothes, like winter clothes, because we are not going to need them for a few months. So that's our task for today. And we are also going to pack those clothes that are not required for the summer or maybe fall. So yeah, now we actually spent 1.5 hours in here. Now we are heading home. We're gonna make tea because we are feeling a bit hungry. So anyways, let's just go home. Okay, now this is the situation. Now these are all the boxes that we are going to need for packing our clothes, shoes we already packed that day, and all we have to do is just clothes. These are Sanjay's files from work. He's going to bring another box and it is going to be a lot of work. So I am going to use this big box because as you guys know that clothes are going to be light, so it will be easier to carry. And rest small boxes I'm gonna use for heavy stuff. And look how deep is that. And it is going to be hard to pack the stuff, but I'm just gonna throw stuff in there. Now it's time to pack all the stuff from this room. And this is the closet, and these are the clothes that we use on daily basis. Okay, so these are the boxes that we have packed and that's about it. That stuff is going to Toronto and we are still not sure how is it going there, but we'll figure this out and I'll let you know in my next vlog. And this is the stuff that is going to our new furnished apartment in Montreal. So yeah, it's all groceries. And guys, we are going to recycle these containers because we are not going to need them. So I have taken out these cushion covers of this sofa because it has some stains on it. When you have kids at home, then you need to get them dry cleaned more often. So yeah, I'm just going to get it dry cleaned before we sell it. This is how it looks after dry cleaning, and it looks pretty much new. So we have decided not to sell it. We are going to keep it because I love this sofa. So we are going to take it to Toronto. And I am not sure how are we going to take it, so that we are going to decide later. And guys, I also bought some of the stuff for our new house on Black Friday last year, and I couldn't make vlog for that, so I'm going to share that with you as well. We are here to shop. So we're gonna go up there and look around and see what do we find. So just follow me. Peekaboo. Hi. No good, no good, no good, no good. This is for girls. This is not for boys. This is for girls. Hey guys, so we are at Costco, and as I said, I am going to share my Black Friday shopping with you guys. We have bought some stuff that we actually wanted to buy, and that I'm going to show you as soon as we go home. We have got pretty much a nice deal. I also wanted to buy this one, Google Home, and look at this weather. Isn't it beautiful? Hey guys, so it is Sunday today and it is Eid today. So happy Eid Mubarak to all of you. I hope you guys are having fun with your family. And right now we are in the park, which is right beside our house. You probably have seen it in my last vlogs. So anyways guys, we were supposed to move to Toronto end of May this month, but we could not because Sanjay's company has extended his stay for 1 more month. That means June we are going to stay in Montreal, and his company is going to arrange a place for us, and that is going to be furnished apartment, and we are super excited to go there. And guys, I will definitely give you the tour of that place in my upcoming vlogs, so stay tuned. Guys, our packing is done, everything is done, and we are looking forward to move to our new place. So yeah, that's an update for now. And guys, that was pretty much it for today's vlog. And if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.